Hello guys, this is a new video. This will be more like a vlog, I don't know, maybe. Because today I just wanted to go on the hunt for cool car dealers. I also brought my camera to take some cool pictures, because yesterday, I think you might have seen this video, when I went to GCG Turbo. On the way there I saw a cool car dealer with some cool like modified cars outside, and I'm now going there and we'll see what we can spot there. And yeah, I thought I might just take you with me on that journey. So I think we just have to follow this road here. And yeah, back there's a Suzuki dealer, and then there was also like a sports car dealer, very cool. Can put a clip in. Saw a Lotus and some cool Porsches and also many G-Wagons. I was surprised about that, but yeah, let's go. All right, quick update. I have to change the way that I film, because I normally only turn on the camera, film something, and then turn it back off to like yeah, save the battery. But every time I did that right now, every time there was then a cool car driving by. When I filmed the Lotus at the dealership, there was an R34, I think it was a 2.5 GT, driving by, and it was too late to get the camera on. I think I tried, but I think I missed it. And then now, after I recorded the last clip, there were every car that had like cool wheels, or there was a Prius that was lowered and stuff like that. So yeah, I missed all of this. But yeah, I might have the camera on and just try to hit the record button as fast as I can if I see something cool driving by. So yeah, let's go. Alright guys, we're here. Look at this. It's called Epoch, whatever you pronounce it. Car shop. We'll try to cross the road now without dying. There's a car coming. But you can already see it. There's an R34. Looks like a 2.5 GT. Silvia. Shit, I can't cross here. There's a Silvia S15, S14. There are some S13s behind that. And a Chaser. Come on, let me cross the road, please. I'm gonna run. Alright. But the highlight, a Suzuki Wagon-R. No, joking, but dude, it's so cool. It looks pretty old, not driven for a long time apparently. Also another Skyline. Oh, look at back there. What's that? Oh, it's an S13. Nice. That's so crazy. I even looked. The funny thing is, some of these cars are apparently actually registered. This one doesn't look like it's registered. The brakes are a little bit rusted out, but not too bad. Then this Drift Silvia, wow, very cool. Potenza Heyoo tires. Chaser, there's just a random STI driving by. And there's Chaser. 76 carats. I will have to look that up. Maybe it's like a drift team or something. So cool. So cool. Back there, more cars, a Crown. So many Silvias. R34. Dude, crazy shit going on here. Some S13s. Silvias. Oh no, S14s. Sorry, S14s. An STI. Very cool. Nice. IS300 with a cool wing. Hell yeah. And then this S13, or no, it's a Silvia. It's a Silvia, but with a 180 front. Yeah, it's a Silvia with a 180 front. Very cool. Nice. Ah, there's all these like drift missiles. Altezza even, yeah. So cool seeing these cars in person. Because for me, I've only seen these cars like in like on YouTube or in games or stuff like that, but never like in real life. So I'm gonna take some photos and yeah, maybe find another place. Let's see. So as you saw, there are quite a few cars here. But as you also saw, many of them were like drift cars or stuff like that, retired drift cars that aren't really used anymore. There were some that didn't even have like driver's seats, or I don't know, I think one of the Silvias also didn't have an intercooler, so might not even have an engine and stuff like that. And I checked the you know, there's the site GooNet, which is like the used car site like Craigslist. I checked the shop which I just checked out. They have a GooNet site too, but they only had like one car for sale there, and I think it was the IS 200 that we saw, or the Altezza that I showed you. So all of the cars that were there weren't for sale. Many of them were, I think, their own drift cars, because they all had the team name on them. And so I think, yeah, officially nothing there was, nothing of the cool stuff was for sale. So yeah, it's pretty hard to find still these cool cars for sale. And if you find some, like an R34 or a Silvia or something, they are super expensive already. I talked with Daniel, the guy from GCG Turbos, and he said when Corona hit, I think it was like 2 years ago or something, the prices just skyrocketed, and I think he thought it might also have something to do with the import regulations of America, that many Americans are now buying or allowed to import these cars. So yeah, that's why the prices are increasing so much, and yeah, that makes it yeah, it's also noticeable here. So these cars got extremely expensive, and yeah, like 4 times the price or 5 times the price that they were before. So yeah, it's quite crazy. But I'm standing next to a family mart right now, so I'm getting something to drink at least, and then I also need to find some lunch somewhere. Yeah. Alright guys, little recommendation: if you ever want to, or if you ever come to Japan and want to eat something cheap but very tasty and good, and not like McDonald's cheap food, but like nice cheap food, you can go to Yoshinoya. It's like a place where you can get donburi. It's like rice, a bowl of rice with, I always order it, you can get several types of meat, and I mostly get them with karage, which is like chicken pieces but fried and super good, and then some sliced vegetable stuff on there, some green vegetables, and then normally you get mayonnaise to put over it, which makes it perfect. Today I didn't get mayonnaise. Maybe it was my incompetence when it came to ordering, so maybe I didn't order mayonnaise. But yeah, it's very good. I'm filled now, and then I went to the vending machine next to it, grabbed the classic Dr. Pepper, and yeah, now I'm thinking about what to do next, but I think I'm heading home slowly and see if I can spot anything else, and if not, thanks for watching, and I might see you in the next video. Bye! Okay guys, some of you said you wanted to do some car spotting. I don't know how good the lighting will be, but I walked past the street, and then I looked in here and saw this. So yep, that's an Alpine. I've never seen one in real life. It's just so cool, and just such a random sight in a random parking lot in Japan. And then next to that is a super clean stock S15. So yeah, If you ever wondered what being a car guy in Japan feels like, that's exactly how it feels like. Nice.